Welcome students. Last class we studied about jump statement. Two types of jump statement, break and continue. Break is used to stop the execution of the loop. Break is used to terminate the execution of the loop. Where continue will continue the loop, discarding the statement after the continue. Continue will repeat the loop after discarding the statement which is written below the continue statement. These are the two things we studied in the last class. Now today I will discuss few questions. I will not discuss all these questions here. Just one or two I will discuss here. See the first question. Find the output of the following. X equal to 3. So within that if condition, there are three different conditions are combined by using the logical operators. See that there is OR operator and operator. Which you already studied that AND operator has the high precedence. So AND will be done first. After that only OR will be done. So that means first this part will be executed. X less than 5 and X equal to 6. The value of X is 3. 3 less than 5 condition true. But 3 equal to 6 condition false. So that means this AND operator will produce false result. What we studied is AND operator will produce a true result only both the operands are true. Here one of the operand is true and the right side operand is false. So the entire operation result will be false. So that means this part you will get the result as false. And here the second condition, first condition is 3 greater than 2. 3 greater than 2 is true. So here the final answer will be true or false. So that means this part you got the answer as false, and here this part you got the answer as true. So that means true or false. True or false. Or means any one is true, the result will be true itself. So the entire expression will be true now. If true, the condition is true. So that means what will be the answer here? The output will be okay. The output will be okay here. All of you understood? Now see the second question. Second question is the question based on while loop. I will show you here in the another screen. Second question is based on the while loop. See, this is the question. Now it's written 10, y is 0. X is 10, y is 0. 10 greater than 0. Yes, condition true. So the first time the condition is true. I'll write it over here. The condition is true. Now when condition is true, you are entering into the loop. You are calculating x is equal to x minus 4. X equal to x minus 4 means you can write x as 10 is 10 minus 4. You will get x as 6. So when you answer this type of question, you can write it over here. The variables you can write it over there, x and y. These are the variables. And whose the first value of x is 10 and the next first value of y is 0 given in the question. And first case, you can check the condition. I'll write the condition part here. 10 greater than 0, condition true. 10 greater than 0, condition true. So condition true I can represent like this because I cannot put a tick mark over here. So I'm just representing like this. So when you are using the notebook, you can put a tick mark over there that represent that condition is true. So the condition true. Now the next statement is x is equal to x minus 4. So that means 10 minus 4, you will get the answer 6 here. And the next sentence, y plus equal to. So that is y plus equal to. We didn't study y plus equal to. We can change this as y equal to. So y equal to y plus 4. Y equal to y equal to y plus 4. So okay. So that is the shorthand form y plus equal to 4. So which is same as y equal to y plus 4. So y is now 0. 0 plus 4. Y is 0. You can check it for here itself. Y is 0. 0 plus 4, you will get 4. So I can write the answer here as 4. And the next is, this print statement is also under this indentation. So this print also will be executed. Now the first output is x. X means what's the current value of x? Current value of x is 6. So I can write the output somewhere here. I'm going to write this output on the right side. So I can write 6. One space will come over there as the output. Now again, this is a while loop. The again test condition will be evaluated. Now the test condition is evaluated and you'll check the condition now x greater than y. What is the value of x now? X is 6. 6 greater than 4. X 6 greater than 4. Again the condition true. I can write like this. 6 greater than 4, the condition true. So again it will come and check the conditions. Here this is the output part, okay. I'll write it over here. Okay. Now here the condition. Now again condition true is coming inside the loop. X is equal to x minus 4. Now x is how much? 6. 6 minus 4, you will get the answer 2. Y equal to y plus 4. Y equal to y plus 4 means y is now 4. 4 plus 4, you will get the answer 8. So that is all about that part. Again you are checking the condition. Sorry, again the next statement that is executing is print. Print x. Now how much is x value? X value is 2. So along with this previous output itself, because you are using the end statement, so along with the previous output itself, you will get the new answer 2. All of you understood? Now the next iteration, it will begin the next iteration. So next iteration means it will go and check this condition. This is a while loop. While loop, test condition will be evaluated repeatedly. So again the text condition will be evaluated. Your text condition is x greater than y. How much is the x value? X is 2 and 2, and what is the value of y? Y is 8. 2 greater than 8, condition false. So now here I am going to represent 2 greater than 8, condition false. So I just put this condition is false, so I'm going to write like this. So there you can stop the execution. What you got the output? You got the output as 6, 2. So this is the output of this code. Just go through the program once again. You are getting x is 10, y is 0. That is the initial value of this variable. And after that you are checking the condition x greater than y. X is 10, 10 greater than y. Just put a tick mark in your notebook. And the condition true, so the first statement is executed. X is equal to x minus 4. X is 10, 10 minus 4, you are getting the answer 6. And after that y equal to y plus, you will get the answer y equal to y plus 4. Y equal to 0, 0 plus 4, you will get the answer 4 again. And you are checking, now print statement is there, print x. X means 6 is displayed. And after that end space, so there is a space is there. Again, it's inside the while loop. So test condition is evaluated, x greater than y. So that is 6 greater than y, condition true, just put a tick mark there. And after that, it's again x is equal to x minus 4, x is 6, 6 minus 4, you'll get 2. Y equal to y plus 4, that is 4 plus 4, you'll get 8. Print x means you will get 2. Then after that, again loop is repeated. So that means you are checking 2 greater than 8. There the condition false, you just jump out of the while loop statement. It is jump out of the while loop statement. So what are the output of this particular code? Output of this code is 6, 2. So that is all about that question. Now see the next question. Next question is this one. Yes, okay. Next question is this one. I written over here itself. Yeah, go through this question. I is 10. First I am going to write the variable value. I, only one variable. So I can write it over here itself. I is 0. And here test condition is 1, that is 0 less than 10. Yes, 0 less than 10. Yes, condition true. So just put a tick mark over there. Now I equal to I plus 1. I is incremented to 1. I is incremented to 1. And you are checking the condition 1 equal to 5. 1 equal to 5, condition false. So if it is true, then only break will be executed. So here the condition false. So it is jump out of the if statement indentation. It is just come out of the if statement indentation and execute the next statement. What is the next statement here? Print I. Print I means what's the value of I now? I is now 1. I'll write the answer here. I is 1. I is 1. Again there is a space. Now you are inside the while loop indentation. Now you are checking the next condition. Next test condition is like this, 1 less than 10. So that is you are coming back to here and checking this condition, 1 less than 10. Again here the condition true. Now I equal to I plus 1. I equal to I plus 1 will give you the answer 2. Now you are checking the condition 2 equal to 5. Condition false. Conditional false means you are coming out of the if statement indentation. Now the statement which are written on outside the if statement indentation will be executed. So outside the if statement indentation means you will get this statement will be executed. Print I. Print I means how much will be printed? Print I means 2 will be printed. After that, again, there is no other statement over here. It is come and execute the test condition. So what is the test condition evaluation? Test condition evaluation is 2 less than 10. 2 less than 10. Condition again, it will be true. So 2 is updated to 3. Test condition FA, again if checking condition false. So you will get the answer 3. Checking the condition, your condition is test condition is this one, 3 less than 10. 3 less than 10, test condition true. So you are updating 3 to 4. After that, you are checking this condition 4 equal to 5, condition false. Condition false means you are coming out of the if statement indentation. There you have to print I. Print I means your I value now at present I value is 4. So the 4 will be displayed. After that, there is no other statement. So it go and check the test condition again. Your test condition is this one. So you will get the test condition as 4 less than 10. Again, the test condition is true. 4 plus 1, you will get the answer 5 here. Test condition is 5. Sorry, I value is updated to 5. And you are checking 5 equal to 5. Yes. So condition true. There what statement will be executed? It execute the statement break. Break means you jump out of the while loop indentation. You jump out of the while loop indentation. So whatever written under this while statement, so outside the while statement indentation will be executed. If you have any statement under this indentation or outside this while, then that will be executed. In this particular code, there is no statement, so it will stop the execution of the code. And what will be the output? Output will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Whatever you are getting in the print statement will be considered as the output. Don't take all these values of the variable as the output. These are not the values. This is only the calculation part. And whatever you are getting along with the print statement, that will be taken as the output there. So that is all about that question. And see the next question. Next question is written over here. And you can go through this question. Question number 4. For k in range minus 100, 200, 100. This is for loop. This is for loop. The first form of for loop. Start value, stop value, step value. Recollect that for loop syntax. For loop has 3 arguments is there. One is start value, one is stop value, and another one is step value. So the first value minus 100 is given to k. The first value minus 100 is given to k. And print k. So how much will be printed? The first output that will be printed is 100. And space. End space. So space is there. After that, this step value will be added along with the current k value. Current k value is minus 100. Minus 100 plus 100, you will get the answer. So that means current start value is there in the variable k. So the present value of k with the step value. Present value of k is minus 100. Minus 100 plus 100, you will get 0. And so print k. Print k means 0 will be printed. Again space is there. After that 0 plus 100. That 0 plus 100 will get the answer 100. So that 100 also will be displayed. Again that 100 plus step value. 100 plus step value we will get 200. So I told you in for loop, excluding the stop value will not be executed or will not be considered there. So now your k value is 200, there it will stop the execution of the loop. So what are the output? These are the output of this particular code. One more time I'll explain this one. See that the first time minus 100 will be there. This is minus 100 will be there in the variable. It is minus 100. So minus 100 will be there in the variable k. Print k means minus 100 will be displayed. After that space, then that k value plus step value. K value is minus 100 plus 100 will give you 0. That 0 will be the value of k. Now 0 will be displayed. That 0 plus the next step value. Step value is 100 itself. So 0 plus 100 will give you 100. That 100 will be displayed. Again 100 plus 100 you will get 200. So you will not take the stop value less than stop value. So that will be taken. So 200. Now the stop value, now you reach at the stop value, there it will stop the execution of the loop. So these are the output of this code. All of you understood? One more question, I think I just copied to here. No, only this much of question. So these are the homework question that you have to do it manually. Do all these questions manually and write the answer along with the question itself. If you have any calculation, write down the calculation on the right side of the notebook. I will check it whether the calculation is there or not. So these are the calculation of this particular code. I can say these are the calculation of this particular code. So write on the right side of the, along with the question on the right side, you can write the calculation. After that, write the final answer just below the question. So from this chapter, what we studied is 3 different way of execution of the program. Program execution is categorized into 3 types: sequential, selection, and iteration. Sequential means one after statements are executed, one after the other. Selection means you are selecting a block of statement depends upon the given condition. Iteration means same set of statement will be repeatedly executed until the test condition become false. Now there is 3 different types of three different ways of program execution. Selection statement is if-else statement, and here iteration statement is while loop, for loop. For loop has 2 different syntax are there, 2 different forms of for loop we studied. So that is all about this chapter. Try out all the programs repeatedly, then only this chapter you can study it easily. Now next class we can study the next chapter. Thank you students.